Okay. We got lucky. We need to beat Mulawi.
Gotta beat Electroman Adventure Football Union. And this shit is easier than
That's easier. It's way easier than Mulawi, bro. Because of
malabit agad kaya perfect.
it's so balanced. It's so unbalanced. What?
What did you say about my Mulawi?
Bro, okay. Lock in.
Wait,
Sasin!
because Kwekel is playing.
Wait. I'm trying to beat Mulawi, Sin.
Stupid is reason of it.
Tapos kita sinanigans.
I'm trying to beat no.
Okay, wait. I passed the hard click.
Reason of all time.
One of the reasons of all time. Please don't die to the bug.
Look at the pearl. I beat it with all the coins. I gave you 3 coins. I did not. We needs it. Well, laptop is
Needs it.
Yes!
I verified Mulawi.
Let's go!
I verified Mulawi.
I mean, Extra Adventures and you beat Mulawi.
I verified Mulawi.
I verified Mulawi.
Mulawi.
Nag-record ka?
Holy shit, I did.
Eh, mabag na pa ng recording.
121 attempts.